Hello YouTube, it is Patriotic Pit Biker here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to clean the dirt bike. As you can see, it is covered in dust from when we went riding the other day at Carolina Adventure World, so I'm just going to show you how I get that off. And to clean it, I will be using one of these. It is an electric pressure washer. You don't really need one, but it helps get some of the harder to reach stuff off. Now you've just got to connect the hose, turn on the water. Now you're ready to wash. Now I just start cleaning. You can see how well it takes it off and makes it nice and shiny new. Oh yeah. I don't want to peel my cool decal off. I always like to make sure to get behind the suspension and right on the top of the swing arm. Now that my bike is clean, I'm going to take some of this metal polish I had and rub it on all the metal stuff, starting with the rims to give it more of a shine. Alright, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to share it with your friends, like, comment, and subscribe.